Good evening, everyone. My name is Mr. B, and this is officially my first YouTube video. Um, this video is going to be pretty short, just a little intro what I do. I do technical analysis. I'm not gonna go through what everything means technical analysis because what I want to focus on my videos just straight trading and how I draw my supported resistance lines and also how I trade. So as on my first video, I'm not gonna go through a lot. I just wanna put my first video out there and then studying the next time it will be more trading, what I trade, how I trade. By the way, I trade 100% options. That's what I do. I rarely trade some stocks. I will. Eventually, you'll see that, but mainly I trade stock options, calls, puts, um, verticals, or they call them debit call spread, debit put spreads, credit call spreads, credit put spreads, and so on. So I trade the different ways. So as as a first stock, I like to show you here Amazon with a head in and shoulder. And so I draw my lines to show it, and of course I always also like to draw my supported resistance here. What I do, I just draw them, see what it looks like. This is very important because as a technical trader, what you want to do, you want to support the resistance. It's your main thing. I swing trade. I don't. That's my forte. But I also do day trades. You'll see in the future. As of right now, I'm just gonna give you an overall how I do things. So support resistance. This is the 1 year daily chart, and once I draw, then how that's how I decide where the stock, eventually is gonna go and make my decisions. As of right now, the stock is down, so I believe that eventually it's gonna come back up. Right now, there is nothing, no lines, but for next week, what I'm looking at that is gonna go back to the 38.90. If it bends off, I definitely gonna go long again. Amazon, I usually don't day trade it. For me, I'm more like a swing trade it, and that's how I look at it at um, Amazon. Now another one I'd like to show you, it's AstraZeneca. What I'm interested in AstraZeneca today, Friday, came out this news that Europe is going to use AstraZeneca for the COVID-19. So I started a small position here. I was a little bit on the red, but he actually hit the support down here, and probably what I'm looking at on Monday, hopefully I see a bounce back. And so if I see that it's gonna keep going down, I'm out of here. But I'm looking at this bounce. I can see a promises in this stock. Most likely I'm gonna go on calls. Nothing crazy. Most likely I like to trade calls. That's the one, calls and puts. I don't really do any credit or debit spreads unless the stock is very expensive, like Google, Amazon, and if I can save some money and still make a good percentage, I'll do credit spreads. But I believe the call and puts, that's the way to go because you can make a lot of money either way, either going up and going down. So that's another one that I use. You'll see that I'm gonna use more calls than anything else. So going back here, I see that I'm gonna wait until Monday. Once if this the next candle is gonna be lower than the support here, definitely you wanna get out of there. I don't see anything This is the last. We can write another one, but 50, 48, yeah. So this is pretty much my territory. If I see that it's gonna go even lower, then I'm out. There's plenty of stocks you can see. One thing, if you lose some money um, on the stocks, try to keep it up on your support and resistance. Please, evaluate him very well. When you see that he break this your support, get out of the stock. Don't wait that for a bounce back. If you have a stop in mind, please honor it, because that's when you're gonna lose a lot of money. Like me, I use the ATR, the average true range. You'll see the next videos how I do it, because you don't wanna wait and wait hoping. Don't hope. Just get out. Take the little loss. I already take a little loss and then hope for the best, and then it gets even further down. So let's see here if I have another stock interesting. Um, Tesla here, I see some. Sorry, oops. Okay, Tesla here has the stop, double top. If Tesla's been going down, uh, well, let's see on Monday how this one goes too. I don't see anything. I don't know. It's been going down a lot. Probably he can bounce back on Monday, hit those two tops up there. We'll see what happens on Monday. Like I said, don't fall in love in one stock or two stocks or three stocks. I am a big fan of the FANG stocks, but there is plenty out there. Um, so if we'll see what it's doing on Monday, and if it bounce back, maybe right here. Let me see. If it bounce back on Monday, maybe we have a chance that's gonna hit the 900 again. But if it keep going down, maybe open a small position on puts, because this is another support area. So I don't see anything crazy, and look at the volume, it's not that much. So I like to see big volume coming in. Netflix, let's see. I'm not the person that he already prepares all the videos, so once you see it, it's already nice. Now I make it as I go. So I like to do that. So you got resistance here. So Netflix could go lower. There you go. There you go. So this is how I look at it on Netflix. If Monday's gonna keep going down, definitely, the next key level point could be the 513.92. Expect that. And if it keep going down, that would definitely be the next key level, the 468.59. And then but if it bounce back, wait until it passes the 542.63 level, and then go long on the and wait until it hits the 569. That's another strategy that I use. Once my key level are on, my support and resistance. So I kind of eyeball it. Don't stress. Make it sure you're trading. I try not to stress. I mean, it's easy to say it and do it, but I try not to stress. Honor your support and resistance. That's what very important that you have to do. Let me see. Google, same thing here. We got some level here. we got the top here. That's a long one. Just a simple line. So same thing here. See, once you're one thing I like to do, have you noticed? I don't have none of my um, studies on it yet. The reason why, because when I try my supported resistance level, I like a clear chart. So actually, you just see the candles, and then you can add whatever you want. But when you do your supported resistance level, try to have a clear chart, and so it's more visible, and you can see, you have a better idea what's going on. Same thing here. On Monday, breaks your resistance here, short it, or buy puts, whatever you're into. I don't mind, I don't care if you buy, you short stocks. I don't care if you like options, buy calls or puts, it doesn't matter. If you broke this level, definitely you wanna buy puts. One thing I recommend, and I do, especially on big stocks like that, expensive stocks, like Google or Amazon or Tesla. What I could suggest is, when you start the position, start small. Maybe like let's say that you're a option trader. Buy a one or two, like let's say he breaks he breaks the resistance on Monday. So you say, you know what, I'm gonna buy puts. So buy one put or two puts. And if you keep going now, you can always add it. You know, maybe wait until he gets to this level. But to this level, it's not showing how much is it. It's a 1772 level, and then you buy more, maybe like two more or three more, whatever you feel like buying, and then keep going. Honor, what I would definitely recommend, if it gets here, either get out with a nice profit, or if it goes through here, that's where you put your stop at the 1693.29. That's how I would do. And then, you know, once it goes down, you can wait until the next level, which probably will be this one right here. Most likely, everybody draws their level different. So maybe you don't like how I draw my levels, but that's how I feel comfortable. We're here, and then, if you really want to go more, right here, and so on. So easy peasy, very simple. Please make your trading simple. Don't make it harder. Don't. I heard a lot of people. I've been trading options for 6 years, and I've been trading in general, like stocks. I started in 2007, so we're looking at 14 years now, 13 years, yeah, 14 years. And honestly, I've heard people, I mean, when they talk, they train words that I'm like, what? Make it simple, I mean, just to give you an example, how crazy it is. You go on studies, right? Sorry, because I got my camera here. I cannot hide my time here. You guys don't see it. Okay. All studies. Look at this. Look at this. You got just A. You get all this. You go on B. You got all this. So when you had all your study, right? You look which one I mean, there's so many. There's hundreds of them. They're so confusing. How you going to, which one are the best? I mean, do I have to use all of them? I use very few of them, which out of all these years, the one that they work the most for me. And so, just pick five at the most, three upper ones and two lower ones. You can do MACD, you can do RSI, on the lower level. You can do on the upper the Bollinger Bands, which I do use. You can use the exponential moving average, which I use too, which the one I use. Just use very few the one that most make you comfortable with, and just stick to it. Make it easy. Trading has to be very easy. It doesn't have to be hard. So what we got here? Zoom. Same thing with Zoom. And this is, like I said, in my first video, so it's not gonna be the best video that in the world, but I tell you guys, I will get much better, and I will start live trading. I'm in California, so probably it's gonna be about 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna start doing live tradings here very soon, and you'll see that it's gonna be fun. I really enjoy doing this. I love trading, and I'm gonna put the video in it, so I'm gonna make it even better. So just please subscribe, stick with me, because in the future we're gonna have very fun together, I promise you. So Zoom, same thing. What's gonna happen on Monday? Okay, what are you gonna do? Honestly, don't do nothing. Wait. If it goes down and breaks the 350, short it or buy puts. If it comes back up, wait until it leaves this resistance level up at 410.28, and then go long here, and once it hits the 446.37, like I said, either get out or put your stops, and so on. Like I said, I cannot stress enough, when you do your supposed resistance, make a clear, take all your studies out. Don't use anything. Make it clear, because that's the best way to do it. That's how I learned. And sometimes, you know what, you don't even need anything. As long as you have your volume here, and you got your levels, you can trade as naked, with a naked chart. You don't really need anything crazy, because this is so simple. Hits here, goes through, short it, goes up, bounces back, go in long. So I mean, like I said, make it simple. Make it simple, because trading, it's not hard. It's us that sometimes we make it so hard. Again, Facebook right here. That's channel, right? This channel right there. Look at this. I mean, how easy it can be. I know it sounds easy, but this could be a triple bottom right here. Wait until it hits the 25. I mean, can you get in here? Not really. But if you wait until it gets here, and then you have a better chance. Maybe you have to wait a day or two. And then once it gets here, you know what to do. Either short it or go long, right? Make it simple. Boeing has been something lately. So here you got a rising wedge, a descending wedge. I'm sorry. No, rising wedge. Sorry. It broke through. That's best technical analysis right here. Look at this. Honor it. Rising wedge. Boom. Broke it through. Now, how you gonna save this? What you gonna do? Well, now you have to dry your support resistor. You can do this way. You can use that. You can use this. Okay, you can work on this part and make your support right here, and another one right in here. See? So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4. How about 4 way to trade? You can either once you break through on Monday, if it breaks through, buy more puts, as I said before, wait and honor it. Put your stop if you keep going down and so on. Or if you bounce back, you can draw right here and here. Probably, yeah, that's a buy here, right here. Yeah, that's another one right here. So there you go. Now you have a full support resistance level chart. So that's it. That's pretty much how you can do. Support resistance is the main thing of trading. I cannot stress enough. I cannot stress enough. Apple, that really pissed me off, especially today, because I went in, I was hoping, yesterday I went in, I was hoping for a bounce back, and yeah, right. But guess what? It was a very small position, so at the end I didn't really care. Still lost some money, but it wasn't bad because I knew he could be danger. So I cannot move my timing. I know you guys can see it, but I have my timing here. So same thing, you got this channel here. Here it's more like a rising channel. So try to wait until you can short it more. Wait until it gets to the support area, or if it turns around, you can play into this channel area right here. And if it turns around, you can use the support level around right here, and then or wait until it goes down right here. So it's about 22 minutes into the video, everyone. So I'm gonna leave it at that. Next time I gotta try to fix my timing here so I can when I draw, it doesn't interfere with my timing. I know you guys don't see it, but I have it. I gotta fix it. As I said, again, this is my first video, so don't expect the best, but the main thing is how you want to trade technical. Don't list it how what happened with GameStop or AMC. This is our great times for us retail traders to get in. I love this business. I've been doing this for a long time, for a while. I don't want to say long time because it's been a while compared for some other people. I enjoy it. I love it. Every morning I look forward to waking up and knowing that I'm gonna be trading. It's fun for me. So my videos, I'm trying gonna make it fun for you too. Please subscribe. Send me messages. I will try to do the best I can to answer all of them. Be nice, don't be mean, because we all have our own ideas. If you don't agree with my ideas, I understand, not everybody. I always say charts and the market, it's like a Bible. We all read the same thing, but we interpret it differently. I'll leave it there. You guys have a great weekend and have a good night. Bye.